Lighting is one of the most essential elements in photography. It shapes the mood, enhances the details, and ultimately determines the quality of your shot. However, with so many lighting options out there, it's easy to get confused on which one to choose. Flash and LED lights are two of the most popular choices, but which one is right for you? In today's video, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of each in a simple way to help you decide which option suits your needs best. Let's start with light output, the amount of brightness each of these two types of lighting produces. Flash units, also known as strobes, deliver a short, intense burst of light in a split second. Even though it happens in a split second, it ensures the subject is properly covered without missing any details. And the light it throws on the subject is adequate to brighten up the image to properly understand the targeted subject. This makes them incredibly powerful, making them not prone to any exterior lighting, such as sunlight or dark of the dusk. If you take a photo in a very natural setting where the sunlight is abundant, you will see your object in a desired lighting, and the same goes for dark, as the bright light will always cover the subject without skipping any details. For example, in fashion or sports photography, flashlights are often used to freeze motion and create sharp, crystal clear images. If you are doing photography of a dancer dancing on a stage floor, can easily be taken with a faster flash, with the 400th of a second, without blurring any part of it. Flash is ideal for action photography or situations where you need to fill in light, especially in the image where there are lots of dark spots surrounding the image. Unlike flash, LED provides continuous light without flickering, which means the light is always on, giving you a real-time view of how your photo will look. You can see exactly how the light falls on your subject as you shoot. LED lights aren't as bright as flash units, but they provide more consistent, controllable lighting and stay on as long as the photo takes time. When it comes to setting it up, you don't need to sync it in line with the camera's shutter, saving a lot of time. This LED light is especially helpful for product photography, portraits, or videography, where seeing how the light interacts with your subject in real time gives you greater precision. They have a distinct advantage for scenarios where subtlety is more important. Now let's talk about control. Both flash and LED lights work well with modifiers like softboxes or reflectors. However, they interact with these modifiers in different ways. LED lights are highly adaptable and user-friendly, especially when used with different light modifiers like softboxes or reflectors. Unlike traditional lighting options, LEDs emit a continuous and steady light, allowing you to see changes as you adjust your setup in real time. This immediate feedback is incredibly helpful for beginners who are still learning how to control and shape light effectively. Additionally, many LED lights offer color temperature control, which means you can easily adjust the light to be warmer or cooler without needing extra filters, gels, or tools. This feature is great for setting various moods or matching the existing light in indoor environments. Some advanced models even offer RGB color control, which lets you experiment with millions of color options. Using flash units with modifiers like softboxes can greatly improve your photos. A softbox diffuses the flash's bright light, making it softer and more even. This creates smooth highlights and gentle shadows, which are much more flattering than the harsh lighting from a bare flash. Flash units usually have a fixed color temperature of about 5600 K, similar to daylight. This consistency helps maintain reliable colors in your shots. However, if you want to change the light's color for a warmer or cooler look, you'll need to add gels or filters, which can be a bit more complicated. If you prefer more flexibility and often work in different lighting conditions, LED lights might be a better option. They allow you to easily adjust the color temperature on the spot without needing extra accessories. When it comes to flexibility, both flash and LED lights offer unique benefits based on your shooting environment. Flashlights are typically smaller and easier to carry. For example, a speed light can attach directly to your camera, making it perfect for on-the-go shots. On the other hand, LED lights remain on continuously, allowing you to see exactly how light and shadows interact with your subject in real time. This makes it simple to make precise adjustments and ensure your lighting is just right before you take your photo or start recording. If you're someone who shoots both still photography and video, LED lights are the clear winner here. Since LED lights provide continuous illumination, they are ideal for video production. You can light a scene, adjust shadows, and see exactly how everything will look in real time. LED is also perfect for filming static or slow-moving subjects, where precise control over your lighting is crucial. Flash, on the other hand, is designed solely for still photography. While it's powerful, it can't be used for video. So if you're working on a project that requires both stills and video, investing in a solid LED setup will give you the flexibility you need. Another major factor to consider is the ease of use. For beginners, LED lights are often more easy to use. You can adjust the light while watching it affect your subject, which eliminates a lot of trial and error. Many LEDs even come with dials to adjust brightness or color temperature, making them user-friendly for those new to studio lighting. Flash, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve. You'll need to understand concepts like sync speed, TTL metering, and how to balance flash power with natural light. There's less room for real-time adjustment, so your first few shots might not come out as expected. However, once you master Flash, the results can be incredibly rewarding. When it comes to consistency, especially in product photography or e-commerce, LED cannot be trifled with. High-quality LEDs offer steady, reliable lighting without the flickers that flashes can have during long shoots. This is perfect when you need to take multiple photos with the same lighting setup, like for focus stacking or creating composite images. On the other hand, flash can sometimes change color slightly as the bulbs age or heat up, especially in cheaper models. If you're planning long sessions with hundreds of shots, this is something you'll want to keep in mind. Finally, let's touch on price. Flash setups can be expensive, especially when you add modifiers, stands, and extra accessories. But once you've invested, these lights can last for years without needing major upgrades. LED lights, on the other hand, tend to be more affordable, but higher-end models with advanced features like RGB control or adjustable color temperature can still be pricey. If you plan on doing a lot of continuous shooting or video work, investing in a high-quality LED setup might be worth it. At the end of the day, the choice between flash and LED depends on your specific needs. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's about understanding the strengths of each and deciding which one fits your style, workflow, and vision. So which will it be? If you're shooting fast action or need to overpower natural light, a flash will give you that sharp, crisp result. But if you want more control, flexibility, and ease of use, especially for video or product shoots, an LED setup might be the better choice. Hope this breakdown helped clear up the differences between flash and LED lights, so you can make the best choice for your photography or videography projects. It's all about what works best for your style and the type of shoots you do. Let us know in the comments which lighting setup you prefer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.